Look at the breakup of America and the breakup of the Western world. The white man is going down. It's time to rule is up. You can take it or let it alone. Have you ever seen so much confusion among people of so-called intelligence? Listen to the talking heads on TV. They're messed up. When the heads of state and government are confused, that's a sign that they can't rule anymore. Too confused to rule.
At man's passing impulses, I have become variable by name. Noble spirited, I have admitted the ingratitude, the anomalous definition born on failures, ignorance. I, at the debut, regarding motherhood, man was the signal subject. I pre-existed the nomination and replication of all man that this earth contains. Exegetic was the repository regarding man in my wound, which sublimated the idea motherhood to mama for generations, regarding millions of sons upon my bosom are my scarce. The evidences regarding my nurturing fit, then see Africa from my eyes. To be continued.